Wenji wa mahiga magoro mugaru na watho thiete na mbere na gutongia turia nime na kuima thirikari kigina oro undu umwe na aikari aria ni ene utonga ucio. Minista wa wenji wa mahiga magoro na utonga wa MAAINI Ali HASSAN JOHO oigite bururi wa mukagira oro gacunje kanini ka utonga kumana na wenji na wendi wa mahiga maya ururia oigite no nginyagio ucenjie.
We are looking at enhancing our revenue base in the ministry and our contribution to GDP. We said it earlier, our target is to get to 10%. Currently, we are at 1%. But we'll be analyzing for every 6 months where we're at and what needs to be done.
Niguo gukinyaniria na kugacirithia mawatho ma wenji wa mahiga maya magoro riu thirikari ni irugurite gikundi kia maabitha a borithi a mwanya kuma ruhonge rwa uthuthuria wa wiki na DCI na maritongoragio ni Hadi Ali niguo kungethanira na aria maratwarithia na mbere thuguri ino mugaru na watho.
Mtu yoyote ambaye anahujumu uchumi hana tofauti na robbery with violence kwa bank, because those are resources, those are revenues that belong to the Kenyan people, and not only for today, even for future generations, because mineral ikiibiwa leo hairudi tena.
Mamwe ma mahiga magoro ni dhahabu, fedha, copper, titanium, zinc gatagati ka mangi na kuona mangi ni mendagio nja wa bururi. Riu ruhonge ruru ni rurinyitanagĩra na ruhonge rwa kimabũrũri rwa Interpol.
If you think you are too smart and you would want to steal our minerals, now we want to assure you, we will not only enforce by arresting you on the ground, we will pursue you to wherever you go. So if you steal or gain from illegal resources here, and you move to other countries, even move residents, we will follow you, because now we have that capacity. We have the DCI with us, we are working closely with the Interpol, and we're going to be pursuing people who, for one reason or another, have imagined that they've gotten away with our resources.
Matura maria wenji uyu ukoretwo ugithii na mbere na gikiro kinene ni Migori, Kakamega, Transmara, Nandi, West Pokot, Taita Taveta na Marsabit gatagati ka matura mangi.
Unfortunately, many Kenyans do not really know what we have, and we're going to make it deliberate for us to be able to express clearly so Kenyans can be able to understand the kind of minerals we have. What is known as the Mozambique Belt, it cuts across Taita Taveta into the conservancy areas, Savo. Then that same belt is found in Thirkari area and Kitui, Embu, and so on and so forth. So they know it. So you realize that they follow the entire belt. Sometimes they go as far as the farthest they've been is now the belt or at the border point.
Wenji wa mahiga magoro ni warugamite mwaka-ini wa 2019 ni thuguri ya ngungo ungumania na ikuũ cia enji a mahiga maya, no mwaka-ini wa 2023 mukana uyu ni weheririo. Ũũ ni thutha wa marũa ma kambuni 3,000 gukanjwo.
The players in the industry that the ministry is here to offer you support, but for as long as you do the right thing. Number one, pay your royalty and pay on time. Number two, involve the local communities, pay them their rightful dues, involve them in what we call community development committees at the local level, where they're entitled to a 1% gross income.
Kameme TV gikuhe uhoro gitau njeta gitau wa Wanjiku.